Deafness is not a disability. It's about to rain. Where is your umbrella? It is about to rain. Where is your umbrella? My father works at the bank as an accountant. My grandparents are lawyers in Ghana. I am going to the hospital to seek for medication. I want to marry a rich man. My environment is not good for learning. Teachers are suffering because their salary is small. Amma has gone to the market to sell vegetables. The lady is in her period. People work hard to earn a living. My soul rejoices in the Lord for his goodness. I am a professional midwife. She passed her exams. She vomited because of her sickness. My wife's menses stopped last month. My father will be the next president. My sign language teacher signed health concepts today. The patient refused to take his medication. Today we will eat rice ball and groundnut soup. Please, it is time for your medication. My friend is pregnant. Avoid touching your wound to prevent infection. Patient has the right to confidentiality. She had sexual intercourse with his brother. I went to the hospital to check my blood pressure. The child was crying to get attention. My boss' father died yesterday. Doctor, please, my mother is sick. Eating fruits is good for your health. Action speaks louder than words. Thank you.